Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. We appear along the trails, so we're able to do something meaningful. The training of living beings is described to be the essence of a manifest embodiment. However it may seem, so it has been explained. For the entourage of the self-originating bodhicitta, there are the three kinds of teachings: outer, inner, and secret. These are explained using the blessings of our own clarity. All the Buddhas and sentient beings, and the totality of the outer and inner vessel and its contents, are all a field for our self-luminous awareness, and are equal to the end of the sky. Great pleasure is not to be touched. When we dwell within the play of great bliss, our abode is the awareness of akanishta. Our entourage is those mind heroes that are at the end of their levels. Our teaching is the three external vehicles. We use our contemplations on unspeakable awareness to explain things. We use the resolve of our self-luminous samadhi to understand. We use our own essence to meditate in clarity. The fields of our domain are happy. This is the measure of our influence. Upon the Vajra throne of Jambu Island, the Buddha taught the way of an intent that is to be interpreted. He achieved the two paths and taught the 6 classes of living beings. The 3 vehicles in their variety. He used words and letters, and he actually taught them. This is the quintessence of the heart of secrets. There are 3 kinds of people who keep to the family of the victorious ones: the contemplative, the familial, and the oral lineage. We actually teach them an awareness of the heart. The intent of the sutras is said to be of 5 sorts. These are explained to be the history, the meaning, the root, the meaning of yoga and its intended requirements, and the meanings of the words. History is just history. It is just our sources and our explanations. Our roots contract and expand as one. This is the way of a single expansion and contraction. It is a way to divide the differences in our yoga. It is a way of ceasing things and of working on them.